So I'm actually in the middle of editing this video when I realized I did not record any intro. I mean, usually my video, or sometimes my video does not have an intro of me talking, but I have a lot of like footage that's really much all over the place, and I think it's good to give a little bit of context. So you probably don't know me, my name is Arya. I am just a random person on the internet trying to make YouTube and art happen for them, honestly, like a lot of other people. And I crochet and paint a lot in this channel. I use watercolor and gouache. Gouache is pretty recent actually, but it's been exciting. And anyway, so this video is gonna be just a week of me trying to get my life together, honestly, because I recently quit my job from sales. I do not like it. I was trying to work outside of food industry because my body hurts, but I do not have the character or personality to do sales for sure. So I'm in the middle of job search. Ideally, this video blew up and I can just work here. I don't know, maybe you guys can help that? I'll try my best to explain here and there what I'm doing so it's not like a jumbled footage into one. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for being here. Okay, so the house is pretty much a mess right now, so I'm trying to do a deep clean on that. So I'm not sure how long that's gonna take me. I assume a whole day. I want to do something easy first, so it's gonna be my table. So I might just gonna put a time lapse here, but so this table is actually for my ongoing projects. It is pretty messy right now because I've been using it as like my junk drawer slash table. But it's very nice to have a roll top table like this because usually ongoing projects or some of my project took like many days to finish and it just looks very messy in the table, so it's really nice that I can just like literally close it up and hide it. After I'm finally done with the office, I'm just going to the next task, which is my living room area, especially this shoe rack area. I'm holding my work shoes right now. I burned through the soles of it. I really need to get a new one. So while I was like vacuuming this, my carpet is actually on the wash and drying already, and because of Arizona sun, it is dried within like 30 minutes. That's kind of a good part about it, I guess. Hello there, I'm just taking a break from cleaning. The only thing I need to do is just the kitchen and the dining area. And it's not really a lot of cleaning on there because I do deep cleaning regularly on the kitchen because that's where you make food. You want to make sure it's clean. I'm taking my break by try to just apply for jobs, honestly. I'm trying to apply as a art teacher. I'm not really sure if they give me a chance, but I think it'll be very fun and also still very much in my area, painting and things like that. And also I understand like if I end up teaching kids, it will be like in their formative years, which is very important. So that's a big responsibility. I'm trying to take a little class on mentorship as well online to, be able to do a good job if I do get the job. But yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna do things on my laptop now. So I don't know if you want to see that. That's not really exciting. I'm pretty poop, honestly. Been cleaning for a good 3 hours. I know I don't have a lot of footage in there, but I swear I clean a lot. So while I was cleaning the drawers before, I found a lot of pictures from when me and Harris was still living in Melbourne. This one is the theater in Melbourne when me and Harriet go on our like second date ever. And this one is like a picture from outside of our apartment. This one is Harriet's favorite restaurant close to the apartment. And this is a picture from my first ever apartment that I moved in. And the top is just our friends and us. I think I'm finally done. I'm planning to go climbing with my friends after this, and yeah, it's been a good productive day so far. I just got home from the bouldering gym, did a pretty good exercise with my friends. Gonna go shower and play board game. Okay, I'll be back. So after all that cleaning and climbing, just spent the rest of the night playing board game with Harrods.
For this whole area.
Oh, okay.
This deck. And you've seen one of Ricardo's 3C.
Good morning. So it is the next day and I have a couple of things in my list for my to-do list today. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do first because one, I'm trying to finish off my restocking for my Etsy shop. I also create new products. I'm planning to make a little strawberry keychains too from that. And the other thing is I'm planning to make 4 sticker designs. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna finish it by today, but at least started it. My goal is 4 sticker by the end of the week and finishing all of these. And if possible, I also still want to practice my painting with acrylic because I got a couple of acrylic paints and I'm very excited about it. But I honestly haven't touched acrylic in so long. The last time I used acrylics is for underpainting for oil when I was in, I don't know, high school. And if you don't know, I'm actually classically trained in oil, and then when I moved out from my country, I started doing watercolor and gouache because that is 1, cheaper, and 2, not smelly for a small apartment that's not really have well ventilated area. So yeah, I'm excited about that. I also even got like myself a medium, the slow dry medium one. I haven't used the slow dry medium before, so I don't know how that gonna be. But for now, I have a couple of the crochet things and stickers. I hope I can do them all. And also, Harris not feeling well today, so might not film as much because I'm trying to make sure he's all good while I'm doing all this. So the Arya in that clip before is very different from the Arya now. I of course did not do all of that within a week because you'll know soon enough, but I did restock my Etsy shop, so that's a big win already considering all the restocking is handmade stuff. And I was also able to make a lot of progress on the keychain design and pattern, so that's awesome enough already. I think this is a great footage to show how long I actually spent trying to develop a new handmade products. I need to take into consideration on my timing and also material. So there are times that I really want to sell something that is more intricate, but it will be more costly and harder to sell because of that. So I couldn't really do that. But there are times that I just add a one-off item on my shop that is hella intricate to make, but that's kind of once in a blue moon kind of thing, because most of the times I end up keeping it for myself because I end up being sentimental about them. So in the end, I only did 2 things that I mentioned before, and this is why I got sick. And this is actually 2 days after my previous footage. I definitely cannot finish any of the things that I told you guys before because of that sick days. I'm just literally just being potato. Right now I'm actually making sourdough, and I thought you might want to see that. I have my basket right here. I might need another bowl because I do make 2 of them. I already did a stretch and fold 3 times, and this is after resting for around 2 hours before folding it into ball, resting it again, and shaping it into dish thingy. And I'll bake it tonight. And my friend is coming over tonight for a crack night. And that's Harriet. Ooh! Pass me, fill this up to the brim. And it goes everywhere when I open it. Why do I did that? I don't know. I'm not prepared. Where's my scraping tool thingy? I got it. Just to scrape the dough out. I don't really like the square one though. This is really good for decorating cakes because it's like got some straight sides, but for scooping out dough, not so much. I'm not really sure where my other one went. And fold you up. Oh, I think this one's smaller than this one. I'll put this one in the bowl one and this one in the basket, I think. Could I just use this too? I could. Gonna let that rest for around 30-40 minutes. I kind of eyeball on timing on all my sourdough, but I haven't made sourdough at home for months, so I'm not really sure how my starter gonna do. I just like defrosted them 2 days ago and just feed them once, so I'm assuming it's gonna be a bit weak than usual, but let's see. Hello. So it's already resting for around 45 minutes-ish. I got a very clean tea towel here. I have my rice flour, the bowl, and the basket. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna do this on this one. I actually have a box of a rice flour for me to dunk the dough on, but this one I'm gonna sprinkle more here just to be safe. Okay. Hey, bub. This one I just dunk it like this, making sure it's not gonna stick, and I put it here. Okay. Just dunk it there. Plop it here. And I'll cover this the same way, like this. And this one with the cling wrap. And I'm gonna let this rest for, yeah, I'll say around 4 hours. It might need some more time. If by the time like around 5 and it's still not ready, I might just put it in the fridge and bake them in the morning. So yeah, Ponyo been staring at me while I shape my dough. Do you like bread, buddy? Is that why? Or do you want to go potty? The bread is ready, and I really don't feel like preparing the steaming pan that I usually put below the bread while it's baking. So I'm just not gonna do that. Let's see if it come out okay. Just a simple score, straight in. Okay. Push bread in. My pizza stone can only fit one bread at a time, so I'm making the round one first. And you can kind of see if without the steaming is good enough or not. If not, I guess I'll put the steaming pan below. It's just like boiling water. Like you pour quickly boiling water under the pan. On the pan under it, but I don't know, I'm feeling lazy. You can also just use the Dutch oven, but my Dutch oven is not like big enough for any of my bread, so I just turned on the AC because the oven is on, making the whole area hot, so pardon the noise. But I think it turned out pretty good. I'm like 60 seconds away from my first loaf of bread, and while in that minute I'm just gonna score the other one and plopped it back in. Whoa, it's not bad. It's pretty tiny, but I think they prove pretty well. Do I feel like adding design on this? Not really. It's a lazy day for me. Maybe a little bit. Okay, maybe a tiny bit. Maybe a tiny bit. Okay. Maybe a tiny bit. Maybe put some little wheat design. Very simple. Like that, and slice. Oop, not deep enough. Deeper. Okay. Oh fuck. Will this slide? Hopefully. Back. Oh, almost not sliding. That's kind of scary. Hello, this is actually the next day. So I actually did not record any of the hangout last night because we just have a lot of fun to hang out, and I don't want to like kind of ruin it by putting a camera in people's faces. I really hope this video is not too long for you guys, and honestly I'm not too sure if any of you like this type of vlog because I made this for my video diary purposes, and I love watching this type of vlog when I just put in the background while I work on something else. And also I'm very sorry for the camera being not on focus sometimes. I'm trying to learn about my camera better, especially after filming this because it bugs me a lot. Anyway, after finishing up the keychain, I just went ahead and took some picture of those to upload it on my Etsy shop. If you guys interested, I'll put a link down below. So I changed it to something that I can hook this thing on my pants. It's just gonna be like how a carabiner works. It's like boop. You can tuck the string down, and isn't that cute? And that is all for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.